Hello dear students, a happy morning to all. Welcome to the live revision classes, that is day 1 of live revision classes. Dear students, in this first few revision classes, we will revise the previous year board papers because it is very important to know the type of question will be asked in the examination and the chapters from the chapters what kind of questions will be asked. Starting with the subject maths, I'll be revising the previous year board paper. Dear students, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also do join the Telegram group. I'll be sharing this question paper in my Telegram group. And also, dear students, it is very important that to try to attend the complete live session, and also if possible do make a note of all the at least the answers. If you are not able to write the questions, at least try to write down the answers. Dear students, with this live revision classes, I'll be continuing to post the targets 70 plus video series. Both combined will definitely help you to score good marks. Now we'll be revising maths June 2019 paper. Dear students, we'll start with the MCQs. If you know, you can solve it and you can post the answer. If the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 5n plus 3, that is an equals 5n plus 3, then the third term, so replace n equals 3, that is 5 into 3 plus 3. So a3 equals 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is 18. Therefore the correct answer is option B, 18. Second question, in the following figure, PA, PB, CD and CB are tangents drawn to a circle from center O. If AP equals what? AP is 3 centimeter and CD is 5 centimeter, then the length of PC. The length of PC equals PB plus BC. The length PC equals PB plus BC, right? Now what is PA will be equal to PB because the tangent drawn from external point to the circle are equal. So PB will be equal to 3 centimeter. In the same way, CD will be equal to CB. The same concept, the tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Therefore, now PC equals, what is PB? PB is 3 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter. Now PC equals what? 8 centimeter. Therefore the correct answer is option C. Dear student, next question, if the lines drawn to the linear equations of the type a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 are coincident, then the correct relation will be option A, a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. If the lines are intersecting, the condition will be a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If the lines are parallel, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2, right? Here the lines are coincident, that means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. The distance between the origin and the coordinates is given by the formula d equals square root of x square plus y square. Therefore the correct answer is option D. HCF of 72 and 120 is 24, then the LCM is, we know the relation HCF into LCM equals what? The product of numbers A into B. What is HCF is 24, we need to find out LCM. Product of number is 72 into 120. Now LCM equals 72 into 120 divided by 24. Dear students, in the examination also simple questions will be asked. In the MCQ questions, the concept should be very clear. Now 24 ones are 24 threes are 3 into 120 is 360. Therefore the LCM is 360. Now the value of sine 30 and cos 60. The value of sine 30 is 1 by 2 and the value of cos 60 is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. Therefore the correct answer is option D, 1. In the given graph y equals p of x, the number of zeros is the graph touching the x-axis. How many points the graph is, the polynomial touching the x-axis. Here it touches the x-axis at 3 points. Therefore number of zeros is 3. Therefore the correct answer is option B, 3. Moving to 8th question. Faces of cubical die numbered from 1 to 6 is rolled 1. The probability of getting odd number is, all the possible outcome is what? 6. Now what is the favorable event? It is getting an odd number. Let A be the event of getting odd number, that is 1, 3, 5. Therefore n of A is what? 3. That is 1, 2, 3. Now probability of event A is what? N of A by n of S. What is n of A? 3. N of A 6. 6. Therefore what we get is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 or 3 by 6. Therefore the correct answer is option A, 3 by 6. Next, 9th question. Write the formula to find out. This is 1 mark. This is old pattern. Here for this year pattern it will be 8 into 1 equals 8. 8 1 mark questions will be asked. Dear student, the syllabus is same. The questions are very important from the previous year. Only the pattern has changed, but the questions all will be important. Write the formula to find out sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and last. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is given by Sn equals to n by 2 A plus An. When the last term is given, the formula is Sn equals n by 2 A plus An. If a pair of linear equations represented by the lines has no solution, that is, then what kind of lines it is? It is parallel lines. Infinitely many number of solution, it is coincident line. No solution, it is parallel line. Write the formula to find out area of sector of a circle if the angle at the center is theta degree. The formula to find out area of sector of a circle is theta by 360 into pi r square. If they ask the length of arc, it will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Right? 96 as a product of primes, that is factorize 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, next 2 2s are 2 4s are, next 2 1s are 2 2s are, next 2 6s are 2 3s are. Therefore 96 can be written as 2 power 5 into 3. What is the degree of the polynomial p of x? The highest power is 3. For the variable x, the highest power is 3. Therefore degree equals 3. Now in triangle ABC equals 90 degree, ACB equals 30 degree. Then find AB is to AC. We need to find out AB by AC. What is AB by AC? That is opposite by hypotenuse. It is sine theta. Sine theta equals what? AB by AC. Opposite by hypotenuse. What is theta here? It is 30 degree. Sine 30 equals AB by AC. Now what is sin 30? It is 1 by 2. Therefore, AB by AC is 1 by 2 or 1:2. Dear students, all these questions are very simple, definitely important question for the exam. Now we'll solve few questions here. 2-mark question. Find the solution for the pair of linear equation. Consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2. If you add equation 1 and 2, x plus y equals 14, x minus y equals 4, what we get is plus y minus y will cancel, 2x equals 18, x equals 18 by 2 is 9. Now put x equals 9 in any one of the equation. I'll put it in equation 1. What we get? 9 plus y equals 14. Y equals 14 minus 9. Y equals what we get is 5. Therefore, x equals 9 and y equals 5. ABCD is square of side 14 centimeter. 4 congruent circles are drawn in the square as shown in the figure. Calculate the area of the shaded region. The area of this shaded region is area of square ABCD minus area of 4 circles. Right? Now we need to find out area of square equals what? A square, that is length into length. Length is what? 14. 14 square is 196. Now what is the area of these 4 circles? To find out the area of these circles, we need to, area of circle is pi r square. Area of one circle is pi r square. Now we should know the value of radius. The length, the total length is 14. Now if we divide it into half, we get 7. Which will be the diameter. Now radius will be equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, r equals 7 by 2. We need to find out the area of 4 circles, that is 4 into pi r square. Pi value is 22 by 7. What is the radius? Radius, it is 7 by 2, right? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 will cancel out. 2 ones are 2, 11 times 2 times 11 is 22, then 2 ones are 2, 2s are. Now 2 into 11 is 22 into 7. What we get is 154. Now 196 minus 154 will get you the what? Area of the shaded region, that is 42 centimeter square. Dear students, based on the shaded region, this you can expect for 3 or 4 mark question. Find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Take this as point x1, y1 and x2, y2. Dear students, do make a note of all the, at least the answers. Distance between the 2 points is given by the formula d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Dear students, I'll be preparing the worksheet based on the model paper, and also the next month there'll be state preparatory examination. So before the state preparatory examination, try to learn all the concepts, and also chapter wise important questions. I'll be posting the video. Do try to check it out. At least by next week I'll try to put what is x2. It is 4 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus what is y2? 1 minus y1 is 3 whole square. D equals square root of 2 square plus minus 2 square. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. D equals 2 square is what? 4. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, can be written as 4 into 2. Therefore what we get is square root of 4 is 2. What we get is 2 root 2 square unit. Sorry, it's just unit. 2 root 2 units. Dear students, we'll continue solving the next questions tomorrow. Definitely all these questions are very important. All these questions will be very important for the examination. Definitely the concept will be repeated. Now we'll move to the science subject. Here, dear students, will discuss 1 mark questions. First, we'll start with 1 mark questions and also any one important diagram today. What is a liquid metal at room temperature? It is mercury. It is mercury. Liquid non-metal, it will be bromine. Soft metal that can be cut with a knife is sodium. Two metals which are poor conductors of heat is lead and mercury. Non-metal conducting electricity will be graphite. Metal with highest malleability. The property of the metals which can be drawn into wires is called as malleability. The most malleable metal is gold. Metal which almost exclusively used for making filament of electric bulb will be tungsten. Metals which are kept under kerosene are sodium and potassium. The reason is they are very highly reactive. This can be asked for 2 mark or 1 mark also. Why sodium and potassium are kept under kerosene? Sodium and potassium are very highly reactive metals. If it is exposed to air, it catches fire. Name the part of the brain which maintains posture and equilibrium of the body. It is cerebellum. The reaction energy is observed. The reaction in which energy is observed is called as endothermic. The reaction energy is released is called as exothermic. 1 mark question also. Name the compound used for whitewashing. It will be quicklime. Name the compound used in black and white photography. It will be silver chloride, which is a type of decomposition reaction. Name all factor indicators. Vanilla essence, onion and clove oil. Example for amphoteric oxides. What are amphoteric oxides? The metal oxides which behaves both acid as well as base are called as amphoteric oxide. The examples are zinc oxide and aluminium oxide. Name the gas liberated when the acid reacts with the metal. It is hydrogen gas. Dear students, all these questions are very important. Definitely you can expect for 1 mark. The substance which turns blue litmus to red are acid. Substance which turns red to blue is bases. Example for antacids: milk of magnesia, sodium, hydrogen carbonate. What are antacids? Antacids are the medicines which used to treat the acidity. Acid produced in stomach is hydrochloric acid. Acid present in nettle sting or bee sting, it is formic acid or methanoic acid. Tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. Chemical composition of table salt is sodium chloride. Chemical formula of bleaching powder CaOCl2. Chemical name and formula of baking soda: sodium hydrogen carbonate NaOH CO3. Chemical formula of bleaching powder: this light question has changed. This I'll correct it tomorrow. White colored powder used by doctors for supporting bone fracture will be plaster of Paris. Sodium compound used for softening hard water will be sodium carbonate. Medicines used for treating indigestion or acidity will be antacids, right? Metal which displaces hydrogen gas from nitric acid will be magnesium. Most ductile metal, gold. Dear students, the most ductile will be gold. That is, the metal which can be drawn into wires is ductile. Malleability is the metals which can be beaten into sheets. It is the physical property of metals which can be beaten into sheets is what? The malleability, which can be drawn into wire, is ductile. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkane CnH2n. General formula of alkane is CnH2n minus 2. First member of alkene series is ethene, alkyne series ethine, and member of alkane series is methane. Next important question: what happens when the fertilization does not occur in female body? Dear students, in female, ovaries release ovum or eggs every 28 days. You should understand, every 28 days ovaries release ovum or eggs. From the age of puberty, the uterus prepare itself every month to receive a fertilized egg. Its lining becomes thick and spongy. If the egg is not fertilized, it leaves for about a day. Afterwards, this lining of the uterus is no longer required. Menstruation occurs. If the uterus does not receive the fertilized egg, what happens? The lining of the uterus is no longer required. Hence, this menstruation occurs. Menstruation is the phase of uterine bleeding in which an unfertilized egg or thick uterine lining. It occurs through vagina as a blood and mucus. Menstruation occurs lasts around 3 to 5 days. The functions of female reproductive system: the female germ cell or eggs are made in ovaries, also responsible for the production of some hormones. Ovaries, these are the paired oval shaped organs located in the abdominal cavity near the kidney, produce egg cells. The main function of ovaries is to produce egg cells and also female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone. What is oviduct? Oviduct is a funnel shaped opening near the ovary. It carries ova or egg from ovary to the uterus. What are the egg released by the ovaries will be carried by what? Oviduct. It is the site of fertilization. Uterus, hollow, pear-shaped bag-like structure. Here the growth and development of fetus takes place. Cervix. It is lower and narrow portion of uterus which opens into vagina. Receives sperm from the male partner. Serves as a birth canal. Dear students, very important question. SI units from the unit electricity. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. SI unit of electric current is ampere. SI unit of potential difference is volt. SI unit of resistance is ohm. Resistivity is ohm meter. Electric power is watt. So, based on the SI unit, 1 mark question will be asked, and also the important keywords from the unit electricity. What is electric circuit? A continuous and closed path of an electricity is called as electric circuit. Define 1 ampere. I equals what? Q by T. Current I equals Q by T. 1 ampere is defined as a constant by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. What is ammeter? Ammeter is the instrument used to measure electric current in an circuit. What is potential difference? Electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit carrying some current is the work done to move a unit charge from one point to another. Potential difference is its amount of work done to move a unit charge from one point to another point. 1 volt equals what? 1 volt between 2 points in an electric carrying conductor is a 1 joule of work done to move 1 coulomb of charge. V equals W by Q. Voltmeter, it is an instrument used to measure the potential difference in a circuit. It is always connected in parallel. Ammeter is always connected in series. What is resistance? Resistance is the property of conductor to resist the flow of charges through it. Resistivity, it is defined as the electrical resistance of a conductor of unit cross-sectional area and unit length. What is electric power? Electric power gives the rate at which electric energy is dissipated or consumed in an electric circuit. 1 watt. It is the power consumed by a device that carries 1 ampere of current when operated at a potential difference of 1 volt. P equals what? Voltage into current. 1 watt is a power consumed and 1 watt of power is used for what? 1 hour. Dear students, tomorrow I'll be revising board papers and also the chapter wise keynotes. We have prepared chapter wise keynotes. We'll revise chapter wise keynotes, which will be where if you revise the chapter wise, which will help you for the examination. Dear students, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel. Do attend the live classes daily. At least in this half an hour of the live classes, definitely you can learn much. And also the target 70 plus video series I'll be posting. Dear students, do download the worksheet. Do try to solve all the questions. And also thanks for attending the live session. Do watch in more numbers. Do share with your friends. If you want to help the channel, do join the channel. Dear students, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you can practice heart and brain diagram today. If you learn heart or brain diagram, definitely you can expect it for 3 or 4 mark question in the examination.